Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of the DYS Fire Real AAC build. As you can see, I've added something new, which is an OSD. I got these off Banggood and they just came in, so I just thought, why not just stick one on there. I took 5 volts from the Diatone PDB here. This is the UART1, so I took the RX and TX and stuck them to the OSD here with the power, 5 volt, and then the in from the camera is right there, and the out to the VTX is right here. The power, I took it from the regulator that we set up last video, and positive and ground. I just put them all together right now. For the VTX, what I did is I soldered this pigtail here, so because I've been breaking them a lot, so I don't want to keep replacing them, or I just don't want the PDB, not the PDB, the board to break. So let's see how this is gonna go all fit all together. So let's get the camera. Oh, and there's something that you guys should note on the Diatone PDB. Anything above 2.9.1 is not working. I had problems when I armed it. It was just not responding to any of my inputs. Like I would just full throttle, put it down, it'll just keep going full throttle, and then it'll just disarm by itself. Tried that on one shot 42, one shot 125, multi-shot and D-shot, all the same, until I downgraded it down to Betaflight 2.9.1, and I'm running multi-shot now. I'm not going to run D-shot on this one, so it's working fine, it's calibrating good. The motor sounds so smooth, a lot smoother than the Emax. Okay, so let's put the camera on now. This is a top connector here, so it's gonna go in like this. Okay, maybe we should remove the wire first. Alright, we got the cam in. I've noticed on these Foxeers, usually one side just starts stripping, so I don't tighten them too much. Usually just one side ends up holding it in place. So now we gotta do a little cable management. This is gonna be a bit challenging here. I'm thinking of possibly just taping these together here, and then just have that coming out there and that's coming out there. That looks like a good solution. Just trying to find the best way where it just like fits together. Yeah, I think this is good, like this. So we're gonna tape that up right now. Okay. Alright. I'll keep everything nice and secure, and then maybe we can use double-sided tape to hold it down on the PDB or up top somewhere. That's good. There we go. It's nice. So this will be to the VTX. This will be to the cam. Alright, let's see now. It's gonna be my messiest build ever, possibly. But as long as it does the job, then I'm happy. Alright guys, so I managed to put everything back on now. I really don't like how it came out. It just looks like a mountain of doom inside. So I'm gonna rebuild this later on once my F3 V3 flight controllers come in the mail. This is not good for a type build. So yeah, but I'm gonna go fly it this week and see how these motors are. They seem pretty nice, so I've seen a lot of reviews on them, so I'm curious to try them out. Let me just give you an example of how this would look if I had the F3 V3. Here's my relay AC with the Emax 2205S series. It's just two stacks. It's the receiver and the F3 V3, and you got your camera, you got your VTX up here. So this is my daily driver. This is my favorite quad I have currently. I really love it. It's just very stable. And here's another example. If I just use a normal F3 V3 board with some PDB, it'll even look cleaner also. So this is the F60 relay AC I have. So yeah, unfortunately I never flew this one. The day I went to go fly it, I put the nuts on here. I put it on the side getting my gear ready, and then I just hear a pop, and then basically it just broke off and I couldn't find the propeller on it. So I thought I had power connected to it, but it turns out I had no power connected to it. It just blew off, so I never got to use it. But Banggood was nice enough and they sent me a new one, so yeah, I'm waiting for that to come in the mail now. So what a waste. Never flew it once. So yeah, and these GoPro lenses, they change the way you fly completely. But overall, this is going to be a fun fly when I try this one and I try the DYS Fire here. So next relay AC is going to possibly be the Emax 2306 white edition, the limited ones. I got a couple of those, and I'm also going to be doing a Martian with those. So, and later on I'm going to do another relay AC with the Diatone D silver motors, the same ones on the Diatone. So yeah, that'll be very fun. So yeah, that concludes it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. I'm sorry this didn't turn out as planned, but we'll redo it later. We're gonna fly it this weekend though. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and if you guys have any suggestions, just let me know. Take care. See ya. Happy flying.